Friends, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will be giving the analysis of one IPO that is open for subscription from October 30 to November 1. So I will be talking about the IPO of Cello World Ltd. So Cello World Ltd is actually coming with an IPO from October 30 to November 1. So the IPO price band is from 617 to 648 per share and face value is 5 per share. So the lot size is 23 shares. And the total issue size is around 293 lakhs 20,987 shares. That is, company is trying to raise around 1,900 crores, and it is actually a pure offer for sale of 1,900 crores. The existing shareholders are actually exiting the share. So the employee discount, they are also offering some discount to employees, and the issue is open from 30th October and will close on 1st November, that is Wednesday, 1st November is today, and the basis of allotment is from on 6th November, and the initiation is expected on 7th November, and the listing date is expected on 9th November, and the shares will be credited to demat account on 8th November. So regarding this company, Cello World Limited, it is actually a famous Indian consumer product company. So their brand of writing pens are very popular. So exactly mainly deals in the three categories: the writing instruments and stationery, molded furniture, consumer houseware, and related products. So they are actually in experience for more than 60 years in the field of consumer product industry, which help them to understand the consumer preferences. They have 13 manufacturing units in different locations. They also plan to set up a glass manufacturing unit in Rajasthan with European machinery to enable efficient productivity and enhance manufacturing capacity. And as on 31 March, they have 15,841 stock keeping units, and nationwide distribution sales of around 683 members. So they have a good the core strength of the company is that they have strong market position, and they have diverse product range to meet the different requisition of customers. They have a track record of scaling of business and product categories. They have experienced management teams with domain expertise. And regarding their, if you see the website of this company, you can actually see that they are not only into the writing products, they have actually have products in the drinkware segment, dinnerware segment. They actually manufacture lunch boxes, casseroles, jars and containers, bakeware and kitchen appliances. So they have different products in the different consumer categories. So they are this can be seen in their website. They actually manufacture different types of flasks and mugs for consumers that actually cost. You can see the details can be actually purchased on the website. They actually manufacture dinnerware sets, stainless steel sets, dinnerware set, lunch boxes, plastic lunch boxes, insulated lunch boxes, steel lunch boxes, and casserole sets, and jars and containers, glass jars, and bakerware set, then kitchen appliances. They actually manufactures mixer grinders, beaters, toasters, sandwich makers, electric kettles, different products they actually manufacture. They are not just a writing cello. The brand name that is actually we are familiar with is on the writing pens. So they are not just a company that actually manufactures writing instruments. Also, they actually manufacture other consumer products also. So that can be seen in the website. And so regarding their financial performance, they actually posted, they have a revenues of around 1,059 crores in 2021. It increased to 1,375 crores in 2022, further to around 1,813 crores in 2023, and then to the first 3 months it is posted a revenue of 479 crores. And if you see the net profit after tax, it is 165 crores in FY21. It increased to 219 crores in FY22, and further to 285 crores in FY23. And is likely first quarter it is around 82 crores, likely to report over 300 crores net profit in FY24. So it is actually having a steady growth from 160 crores to around 320 crores, likely to almost double the net profit in the last 4 years. So the revenues also increased substantially from 1,059 crores to around 1,600 crores. So there is a very strong balance sheet. Is actually having a large number of products in the category now, and this company is actually currently doing well. So regarding the valuations of this IPO, the IPO is actually coming with an EPS and based on the earnings is around 13.65, and is coming with an IPO is price band at 41.51. So it's actually expecting to command a market cap of 13,752 crores. And so regarding their recommendation of brokers, different brokers in this website, chittorgarh.com, you can actually see that different most of the brokers have a subscribe rating on this IPO. 17 brokers have a subscribe rating on this IPO. And if you see the most of the brokers like Ashcount Capital, AUM Capital, Access Capital, BP Equity Market, Capital Market, Choice Broking have a subscribe rating on this IPO. So, and regarding the recommendation of Choice Broking, they actually or mention some key competitive strengths of the company. They have mentioned that they have well established brand name and strong market position. They have diverse product portfolio across price points, catering to different consumer segments. They have good track record scaling up new businesses and product categories. They have a pan-India distribution network, presence across multiple chains, ability to manufacture diverse range of products and maintain optimum inventory levels, skilled and experienced management team, and strong historical financial results. And the risks they are mentioning is that the general slowdown in the global economic activities and unfavorable government policies, changing consumer demand, delay in the commissioning glassware unit in Rajasthan, difficulty in maintaining profitability and competition are some of the risk factors mentioned in this. So overall, considering the revenue growth they have reported, the Choice Broking and most other brokerages have a subscribe rating on this IPO. And regarding the review by their in Chitorga.com by Dilip Devda, they actually mentioned that they have 13 manufacturing locations across 13 manufacturing facilities across 5 locations, and is planning to establish a glassware manufacturing facility in Rajasthan. They have a pan-India distribution network of 717 distributors, 58,716 retailers for housewares, 29 super stockists, 1,509 distributors, and 60,826 retailers for writing instruments and stationeries, and 1,067 distributors and 6,840 retailers for molded furniture. So they have a wide distribution network for all their product segments, be it writing instruments or consumer products or consumer housewares. They have good distribution network throughout India. And the lead running managers for this issue is Kotak Mahindra Capital, ICICI Securities, and in the website they actually as per the offer document, they have mentioned that Brosil Limited, Kokyu Camlin, La Opal, Astrocraft, TTK Prestige, Hawkin Cookers as their competitors. They are trading at a price and multiple of 49, 41, 45. So they are actually mentioning that they are actually issuing the price in the comparison to their peers also. So they are actually issuing the IPO at the price band price and multiple of 40 times. And the similar, they are actually mentioning that the similar companies are actually trading the similar price and multiples or higher price and multiples. And so what is mentioned in the Chitorga.com is that the company is actually having brands like Cello and Unimax. It has marked a steady growth in its top line and bottom line for the reported periods. It has have good competition from big players in the segment, and however, based on the recent financial performance, the issue is fully priced, discounting all near-term positive. In general, investors are not preferring OFS issues. Only well-informed cash surplus investors may mark corporate funds for medium and long term. So a cautious approach has been given in this website by Dilip Devda in Chitorga.com. So they mentioned that the valuations are rich, and it is actually factoring all the near-term positives. But if you take my personal opinion on this IPO is concerned, considering the large number of distribution network for this company, and the large variety of products and the steady revenue growth that is reported in the last 3-4 years, I would like to subscribe for this IPO, considering that this issue is already oversubscribed at the end of the second day. Retail segment is already oversubscribed 1.4 times, and the retail employees 1.63 times, and QAB is 0.07 times. It will be oversubscribed in the last day, and HNI segment is already oversubscribed 7 times. So I am the current grey market premium is indicating that there is a grey market premium of around 91 rupees in this issue. So we are actually expecting a grey market premium, the listing of around 739 per share based on the current trends. So based on the oversubscription figures, it can actually increase or decrease, but I am actually expecting based on the issue price of 647, anything between 700 to 750 will be the minimum expected listing for this particular IPO. So that is not mentioned in the website 5paisa.com based on the grey market trends till second day of the issue. So that can actually change. The issue gets good or subscription figures in the last day. But anyway, I am planning to apply for this IPO. So if you are actually convinced about this company and convinced about the future prospects of this company, you can also consider investing.